Hello everyone, this is the shirt folder or the top folder. Now I actually ordered the wrong size. I got the child size. I don't really have any children right now, but so a normal top for an adult doesn't fit on this, so you won't get the same results. But it actually seems pretty sturdy, and what I did, instead of testing this directly, I got one of my tops and I followed the instructions on this, and it did a really good job. So just to show you how you do it, you'll put your top on front facing like this. You would then halve it like this, and then halve it like this, and then you would just go like that. I thought I'll just give it a shot and put one of my tops on. It is too big. This is the child size, but I just want to give you an illustration. You'll go like that, and then just go like that. Flap it like this. And then you'll go on this side and again flap it like that. Okay, and then usually you can see I've got too much overlay here, but I'll just make it child size like that, and then you just flip it like that, open it up, and there you've got your little top all folded nicely. I actually really like this, so I'm going to order the larger one, but yeah, it's a thumbs up.